Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a brand new software, bulk messaging software for RCS. First, let's understand what RCS is. As you know, our phones used to have a default SMS app that could only send text. Now that SMS app is being replaced by RCS. RCS stands for Rich Communication Services, which means you can now send images and videos along with text. So what happens now is, when we meet someone new and take their number, we keep wondering which platform to message them on. The solution to this problem is RCS, where just like a normal SMS, you can now send images and videos too. Now, let me show you. As you can see on the screen, this is my software, RCS Messenger software, which is a bulk messaging software. In the background, you can see this is Web RCS. Just like we run WhatsApp and other apps on the web using a QR code, I have run RCS on the web. Now let me show you its interface. As soon as we open the window, a very simple interface appears. Here there's an import option from where you can import a text file. In that file, you need to enter the mobile numbers with the country code, like 91 for India, but without the ++ sign. After that, as soon as you click on Start, you have the options, text, image, and video. As you can see, I have done some demos before. Now I will type a text message again. Here is my message. I have selected it, and now I click on Send. So friends, now look at the magic of this software. This is a completely automated software. As soon as I clicked Send, it started sending messages in the background. Now let me show you the background. Hello, this is a demo. This is the same message that I sent. Because this number was new, there was no previous chat history. And now look, I have also received a reply from them.